Okay, let's start this. Hello, my name is John and I am a mobile engineer with 5 years of experience. Today we're gonna see about MVI architecture. We're gonna create a simple project that we can apply this architecture. We're gonna pass through the setup or retrofit. We're gonna see about intent and state, about the view model and view composables. Before we start, if this video helped you in any way, or you just want to help me, so please subscribe and give a like here. Also, before you go to the code, let's keep it simple and talk a little bit about architecture. So architecture is nothing more than a way that we can structure our code. Advantages are maintainability, scalability, testing, and the MVI architecture is adaptation of the MVVM. MVVM stands for model view model and MVI stands for model view intent. The difference is basically that MVVM, the view subscribe to the live data, and in the MVI we rely on intents and states. Example of states would be loading, no internet connection, data available, and so on. And the states tell us what is happening and the intents tell us what you want to do. With this, we also have two new concepts, that's intent and state. Intent is basically the user interaction and the state is the data, or basically your internal processing to the model, and then the view can just show this data to the user. It's basically a cycle.